Natalie! I want to take her! I'm right.
I know you wanted a car, but that's as close as we could get.
That is a car.
A Mini Cooper.
Yeah.
Is there a remote control? So you can drive that bike?
What is it? Do you want to go outside and see?
No way!
Come on, we'll go see. Bring your car with you.
No way! No.
Let me see your car.
Ready?
It's too dark for this.
Happy Christmas.
That's what I was looking at as well.
Really? Well, Harry says you wouldn't be a mini type of girl.
She's a wee rocket.
Dad is
Christmas, what the hell?
Dad is so jealous.
I know, I want it. It's a wee rocket. Like.
Love you.